New 7 Wonders of the World. Number 7. Christ the Redeemer. Christ the Redeemer is an Art Deco statue of Jesus Christ. In Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, created by French sculptor and built by Brazilian engineer, in collaboration with French engineer, Romanian sculptor fashioned the face. Constructed between 1922 and 1931, the statue is 30 meters high, excluding its 8-meter pedestal. The arms stretch 28 meters wide. Number 6. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, reigned from 1628 to 1658, to house the tomb of his favorite wife, Mumtaz Mahal. It also houses the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. Number 5. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel located in the eastern cordillera of southern Peru on a 2,430-meter mountain ridge. It is located in the Machu Picchu district within Urubamba province above the Sacred Valley, which is 80 kilometers northwest of Cuzco. Number 4. Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza was a large pre-Columbian city built by the Maya people of the Terminal Classic period. The archaeological site is located in Tinum Municipality, Yucatan State, Mexico. Number 3. Colosseum. The Colosseum is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. It just located on the east of the Roman Forum and is the largest and giant amphitheater ever built. Currently, it is still the largest standing amphitheater in the world today, despite its age. Number 2. Petra. Petra is a historic and archaeological city in southern Jordan. It is adjacent to the mountain of Jabal al-Madba, in a basin surrounded by mountains forming the eastern flank of the Araba Valley running from the Dead Sea to the Gulf of Aqaba. The area around Petra has been inhabited from as early as 7000 BC, and the Nabateans might have settled in what would become the capital city of their kingdom as early as the 4th century BC. Archaeological work has only discovered evidence of Nabatean presence dating back to the 2nd century BC, by which time Petra had become their capital. Number 1. Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications that were built across the historical northern borders of ancient Chinese states and imperial China as protection against various nomadic groups from the Eurasian steppe. Several walls were built from as early as the 7th century BC, with selective stretches later joined together by Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China. Later on, many successive dynasties have built and maintained multiple stretches of border walls, and the most well-known sections of the wall were built by the Ming Dynasty, 1368-1644. Please like and subscribe for the next video. Thanks for watching.